Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2021 Toyota Tacoma with some great exterior features that include a TRD Lift Kit, black TRD wheels, and a full 3M package. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we have black cloth interior with tan stitching. There are also all-weather floor mats and power windows. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at our steering wheel, we've got our audio and phone controls along with Toyota Safety Sense and Cruise at the bottom. Over on your touchscreen, you've got your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, along with some vehicle information and your backup camera. Right below that are all of your climate controls and your heated seat switches. Over on the bottom, we have a couple of outlets. And on your gear shifter, we have this TRD Shift Knob. Taking a look at the back seats, we have more cloth interior with tan stitching. We also have two cup holders in the back of the center console and all-weather floor mats. These seat bottoms fold up to give you access to under-seat storage. And the seat backs also fold down, giving you behind-the-seat storage. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2021 Toyota Tacoma with some great interior features that include a TRD Shift Knob, heated seats, along with storage compartments underneath and behind the rear seats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.